As a Spartan, efficiency is key to achieving success on the battlefield. And just like in battle, when it comes to cleaning out your 2006 Nissan Murano, you need a strategy that will ensure a spotless victory. First, let's rally your troops, or in this case, your cleaning supplies. Gather your armor, aka gloves, weapons, aka sponges, brushes, and towels, and cleaning solutions, aka all-purpose cleaner, glass cleaner, and leather cleaner. Now it's time to attack the enemy. In this case, the dirt and grime that have taken hold of your vehicle. Start by removing any debris from the interior, including garbage, loose papers, and empty water bottles. This will clear the way for a deep clean. Next, focus on the carpets and upholstery. Use your weapons, aka sponges and brushes, to agitate the dirt and grime, and then use your armor, aka gloves, to extract it. A powerful vacuum can also help you suck up any remaining dirt and debris. Move on to the dashboard, console, and doors. Use your all-purpose cleaner to wipe down any hard surfaces, making sure to reach all the nooks and crannies. For the windows, use your glass cleaner and a microfiber towel to achieve a crystal-clear finish. And don't forget about your seats. Treat your leather with a specialized cleaner and conditioner, and watch it shine like new. At the end of this battle, you'll emerge victorious with a sparkling clean 2006 Nissan Murano. Remember, a Spartan never leaves a task unfinished, so keep fighting until the job is done. So let's get to it, soldier. Grab your supplies and get ready for a mission to restore your Nissan Murano to its former glory. I have faith in your abilities. You can do this.